Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Meat tenderizer. Transform tough cuts into tender meals. Even $8 steaks taste gourmet now. My guests are amazed. 48-blade meat tenderizer break fibers deeply, ensuring perfect flavor absorption every time you cook. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel tool for lasting use. Built like a tank, still perfect after hundreds of uses. Weighted design delivers optimal pressure with a comfortable, secure grip. The detachable design rinses clean in seconds. Just pop it apart, quick wash, done. No food gets trapped. Dishwasher-safe components. Eliminate scrubbing for proper hygiene after use. Unlike Jacket. Creates channels for marinades to penetrate deeper all. Overnight flavor in just 30 minutes. Game changer for weeknight cooking. Seasonings reach the core for juicier, tastier meals. Egg slicer. Stainless steel wire. Egg slicer wires made sturdy stainless steel with sturdy, tensioned wires that can slice through eggs cleanly without bending or breaking. Ergonomic design. Egg cutter made of high-quality aluminum alloy for the base and handle are durable and rust-resistant. Ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip. Non-slip bases keep the slicer stable during use. Ease of use. Egg slicer with a perfect egg slot. Just drop the egg, and with one click you get neat slices. Not just eggs, but also other soft foods like strawberries, mushrooms, banana, butter, and soft cheeses. Easy to clean. Hollow base design. Food residue is very easy to remove. Dishwasher safe or clean with light rubbing. Dish soap and a rinse of water, convenient and easy to clean. Service. If you have any problems, please feel free to contact us. We will reply in 24 hours. 2-slice toaster. 2-slice toaster for toasting 1 or 2 slices of bread at a time. 6 shade settings accommodate individual preferences. Extra wide slots for bagels and thicker slices. Each slot measures 5¼ inches long by 1¼ inches wide. Bagel setting for toasting just the cut side. Frozen setting for defrosting bread. Cancel function ends the session at any time. Buttons illuminate to indicate selected settings. Extra lift lever for safely removing smaller pieces. 37-inch power cord when routed out the back. Cord wrap when not in use. Removable crumb tray located in the back for easy cleaning. Product dimensions. Approximately 11 into 6.5 into 7.5 inches, LXWXH. Electric skillet. Dishwasher safe and fully immersible in your sink for fast, easy cleanup upon removal of the temperature control unit. Thick cast aluminum body with black lacquer finish resists rusting or warping for added resilience. Marbleized nonstick is more durable than nonstick and will not crack or peel. It quickly releases food for a no-fuss quick and easy cleanup. Scratch-resistant surface allows for worry-free cooking. Rapid plus even heat from our fully embedded heating element. With its trigger-release control probe, you can pinpoint temperatures of 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and prevent hot spots and scorched food. 1-year warranty and US-based customer support team. The Elite Gourmet Deep Dish Electric Skillet includes base, removable thermostat, digital kitchen scale, contemporary slim design, made of stainless steel material. It is easy to use and clean, provides accurate weight data with a user-friendly control panel and system, with high-precision sensors to ensure correct performance and readouts. Multiple unit conversion setting. You can easily switch to any unit that you need. It can show units in the following: G/kg/lb/us/ml/milk ml. Yes. It includes milk volume measurement. Low energy consumption with included battery. This unit comes with an button battery and doesn't consume too much power. Plus it has an auto shut-off feature. Backlit display. Easy to see and read panel. The unit has a negative white digital display, so it is easy to read and see even in not well-lit rooms. After-sales support and trusted customer support team assist you with any questions that might arise about your kitchen scale. We take pride in our work and want you to have a great experience from food storage container. Premium borosilicate glass. Experience the durability and clarity of our borosilicate glass food storage containers. Perfect for everyday use. These containers are a popular choice among consumers looking for long-lasting, high-quality kitchenware. Airtight freshness. Keep your meals fresher for longer with our airtight food storage containers. The precision-fit lids ensure an airtight seal, making them ideal for meal prep and preserving leftovers, while maintaining flavor and freshness. Microwave oven-safe convenience. Simplify your cooking and reheating process with our oven-safe and microwave-safe glass containers. Their versatile design is perfect for busy lifestyles, allowing for easy transition from freezer to microwave or oven. Safe, trustworthy. Prioritize your health with our BPA-free glass food containers. They provide the assurance of safety and quality for all your kitchen storage needs. Bench scraper. Thickened stainless steel. This bench scraper is made of thickened stainless steel, non-reactive, rust-free, hygienic, and durable. Heavy duty. Precision beveled edge. Made of knife-grade steel, the edge is beveled precisely. Balanced sharpness is convenient for scraping and cutting. Firm grip. Ergonomic and comfortable non-slip wooden handle. Great for scraping up food ingredients to easily transfer to a mixing bowl or for cleaning your work surface. Measuring inch marking scale. For precise measuring while cooking or grilling. Griddle scraper bench knife. Also perfect for barbecue and grill, as well as for cast iron griddle or flat top cooking as griddle grill accessories for your home kitchen or backyard barbecue. Great as a gift. Mixing bowls. Airtight lids 3 greater attachments. The airtight lids that come with this mixing bowl set make it easy to store ingredients and leftovers without worrying about spills or leaks. 3.5 QT had a removable lid inside the main lid for adding contents or pairing it with your blender without removing the entire lid to prevent splash. This bowl set comes with 3 different grater attachments: slicing / grating / shredding. Just shred or slice right into the bowl. Non-slip silicone bottoms. The rubber on the bottom of the mixing bowls is for gripping and staying put, which prevents sliding on the countertops when mixing and also protects the desk from high temperatures. Attention! The stainless steel bowls needs to be cleaned in time after use to avoid excess stains caused by rust, especially oil stains. Vegetable chopper. The original Pro Chopper, our superstar veggie slicer, has been creating waves on TikTok. Simple to use, set up, and clean. Save time and energy during meal prep with our OG vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice your ingredients like a seasoned chef. Easy meal prep with rust-resistant blades. Our vegetable chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthier but doesn't have a lot of time to spare. Dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with the heavy-duty, rust-resistant blades. The 420 stainless steel blades retain razor sharpness for crisp, smooth dicing. A kitchen essential. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro, the Full-Star Food Chopper is a must-have in any kitchen. It's versatile, easy to use, and dishwasher safe. Please read the instruction manual provided with the Full-Star Food Chopper closely before use. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. Precision spray nozzle. The olive oil spray bottle features a nozzle that delivers a fine mist or steady stream, offering precise control. It's perfect for drizzling or spraying, making it an essential oil bottles for kitchen. Control oil intake. Each spray dispenses 0.15 g of oil, helping you manage your daily intake. This cooking oil sprayer is designed for healthier, more controlled cooking with minimal waste.